And, I just thought I was making choices about my life. I thought, isn't that what democracy is about? I'm making choices, I'm living my life. Apparently not, But, so I got on a shit list and I was so proud, I just tattooed it right here on my arm. So I got it here. Number 1, I'm single. Woo! Yeah. I have never in my life washed a man's laundry. Woo! Some of you are jealous, I know. But you feel good. I've had no children. And the world is much better for me. Now, it all started with my mother. She had 6 children, and I'm going, who the fuck does that? It's not me. I'm not going to do it. And then my mother, she bought me this goldfish. I loved my goldfish. They had these cute eyes. So cute. The next day, not so much. And I just thought, you have to feed the fucker. I mean, it just killed the whole thing. I just couldn't do it, Number 3, I'm spiritual, but I'm not religious. I was in high school, and these religious people got a hold of me. I was part of them. They were part of me. And they just brainwashed me. And I didn't think you should even dance or anything. And I got to college, and all this brainwashing, it just drained right out of my brain. And, and then I was dancing, and everything was good. I was learning, I was growing up. It was a good thing, That's what democracy is about, isn't it? You just make choices. You're gonna dance. Yeah. Damn it. They were so smart then. But I'm postmenopausal. That's not really a decision, but it happens. Believe me. You won't be jealous about that one. I don't think so. Yeah. So I heard that Trump and his cronies don't really think that postmenopausal women should have an opinion about abortion or birth control. It made me so mad that I just thought my hormones are just going to run through my veins. It didn't happen. I'm still me. So there was that. And, so I've been thinking a lot about, life. I'm old now. And, you think about these things, and, you hear the weirdest things going on in the politics. And so I was hearing how this pastor in Texas was telling Trump and his cronies that Vice President Harris had a Jezebel spirit, and that was making her look presidential. And I'm thinking, well, what the fuck? Trump has this weird Hannibal Lecter spirit. That's making him look weird. I don't know. But enough about me. It's all about the cat ladies, baby. And, it doesn't end until the cat lady sings. Cat lady fever. Thanks, guys.
Good job, Ione. We're down to our last few comics. Let's keep the energy up and give all of our love to our next comic. Give it up for Brittany Dinsmore.